Welcome to another one of the Dragon Exchange online tutorials. This tutorial assumes you have already registered and created your account. If you have not already done so, you can review the Getting Started video tutorial to help create your account. After creating your account or logging in, you will see your account view page. Along the left side of the screen, you will see the menu of quick links that allow you to manage your account, post new information, and reply to messages from other members. In this video tutorial, we will be focusing on creating your first listing. Listings can include such information as jobs, real estate, items for sale, services, personals, recommendations, news items, etc. Posting a resume is different from listings and will be covered in another video tutorial. So let's proceed to create your first listing. Click on the Post New Listing link, which can be found at the top of the Quick Links menu. In Step 1 of the New Listing Wizard, you will supply your listing with a title and a body. Listing bodies can include simple HTML formatting. In this example, we are creating a simple job listing for outbound call center reps. Once you have entered your title and body, click the Next button. You will be able to go back and edit your listing at any time later. In Step 2 of the New Listing Wizard, you will choose a category for your listing. In this example, we are creating a job listing, and it's a customer service job listing. Once you have set your listing category, click the Next button. In Step 3, you will specify various options for your listing. For job listings, you can include salary information, and if this is a direct job or from a recruiter. In this example, we are creating a direct job. In Step 3, you can also choose to bid to have your listing appear higher up in the Dragon Exchange search results. Normally, when searching, listings are ordered based on the date when they were posted or last edited. If you have an urgent listing, or wish to have your listing appear higher up in the Dragon Exchange search results, you can choose to bid with other members to keep your listing on top. In this example, we see that currently another member has a bid of 1 Dragon Cash units to keep their listing higher up in the search results. In this example, this member has not purchased Dragon Cash units, so they cannot include a bid for their listing. Dragon Cash units cost $1 for 100 units, or 1 cent per unit. So for as little as 2 cents, we could choose to have this listing appear at the top. In this next screen, we have added 100 Dragon Cash units, or $1, to this account. So now we can bid 2 units, 2 cents, and have our listing appear before others. As a note to employers, employer packages include both Dragon Cash units and multiple location inventory units, which are covered in another section. Once you have set your listing options, click on the Next button. On this screen, we will choose the posting location. This is the location where the listing will be visible. In this example, we currently see the location as Austin, Texas. The default location will be your current account location, but this can be changed to include any of the 17,000 or more locations currently supported by the Dragon Exchange. On this screen, we also see that this account has 1 multiple location inventory units. All accounts are created initially with 1 MLI units. MLI units are very useful if you have a listing that you wish to advertise in more than one location. With a single MLI unit, your listing can appear in all locations of a given state or all states of a country or globally worldwide. Additional MLI units can be purchased for just $1 per unit. If you have a worldwide listing you wish to advertise, you can post a single listing and have it appear in all 17,000 or more locations, while other sites, not supporting such a feature, would require that you post 17,000 separate listings to advertise worldwide. In the next screen, we will use our 1 multiple location unit to have our job posting appear in all U.S. locations, or about 6,000 locations. In this screen, we have set the province-state drop-down to use all, and this has automatically set the city and district locations to all as well. So this will allow our job listing to appear in all 16,000 or more cities and towns across the U.S. Click on Next when finished. On this screen, we can choose up to 4 images to include with our listing. If no images are needed, you can just click on the Skip This Step link. To add an image, simply click on the Browse button and choose an image from your local computer. Images will automatically be set to a standard size, and a thumbnail image will automatically be created when uploaded. If you have large images or a slow connection, you may need to reduce the size of the image before uploading. Once your 1 to 4 images have been defined, click on the Upload Picture button to upload them to the site. Once you have uploaded your images or clicked on the skip link, you will see the listing complete screen. Normally, your listings will be available immediately on the site. If your account has been flagged too many times, you may need to wait until your listing can be reviewed before it is visible on the site. We review every listing that is posted for suitability and compliance to our terms of use. To make the listing process easier, we assume everyone is posting legitimate listings. If after our review we find a problem, you will be contacted by one of our reviewers. If changes are needed, we will include details of why and what changes are needed. From the Listing Complete page, you can choose to view your listing, edit your listing, manage all of your listings, or also broadcast your listing to up to 55 other services. Sharing your listing helps give you more visibility and a higher chance of being found. You can also choose to have this listing professionally translated. At the present time, we include English to Chinese or Chinese to English translations. These are the two most used languages on the Internet, and this should allow your listing to be read by the most number of people in the world. Even if you live in the U.S. and do not think you want to have your listing translated into Chinese, you may still want to consider this option, especially if you live in an area where there is a large number of Chinese-speaking people. This helps give your listing more visibility and allows a native Chinese speaker to read your listing in their native languages. This concludes our tutorial on creating listings. Check our other tutorials for editing listings, posting resumes, and conducting searches. Thank you for choosing the Dragon Exchange.